Welcome back. This is the Train Expert channel. We have a tanker train. Let's check it out. Might be clearing out the whole tanker yard. We don't see them every day around here. I wasn't sure if I was going to keep the camera rolling or not on the last video because I wasn't sure if they're going to be coming back. We'll keep the cameras rolling until the tankers leave again. Here comes the vacuum truck. It's going to be back on the regular channels again like we did yesterday. Or like we're going to have on the previous video. There they go. Actually, it's a sweeper truck they go by. Yeah, sweeper truck. Soon as that one tanker leaves, we're going to get off and we'll get back on with the next train. No, it's only Tom and Chris today because Jack's at Perry today with Tom Lee Patterson from New York. The guy from New York State that Jolene and I pointed out last year because we had him on the train channel last year though. So, all right, we're going to get off. We'll get back on with the next tanker train. Talk to you later.